Hi students, good morning. Last week class multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Okay, to multiply a whole number by a fraction, either proper or an improper fraction, we multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction. With the numerator of the fraction keeping the same denominator. That is concept of multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Now this class multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. அதாவது என்னன்னா ஒரு fraction இன்னொரு fraction கூட மல்டிப்ளை பண்றோம். அது வந்து ப்ராப்பராவும் இருக்கலாம் இம்ப்ராப்பராவும் இருக்கலாம். ரெண்டுமே both are proper or both are improper or either proper or improper. That is not a problem. Correct. What is the concept? We multiply two fraction. We multiply two fraction as how to multiply the two fraction? Very easy. Product of numerators divided by product of denominators. That's all. Product of numerators divided by product of denominator. For example, 1 by 7, 2 by 3. 1 by 7 is a fraction. 2 by 3 is a fraction. Both are proper fraction, not a problem. What is the numerator of this fraction? 1. What is the numerator of this fraction? 2. Product of numerators 1 into 2. Product of numerators 1 into 2 divided by product of denominators. What is the denominator of this fraction? 7. What is the denominator of this fraction? 3. 7 into 3. 1 2 is 2. 7 3s are 21. 1 2 is 2. 7 3s are 21. That's all. Very easy now. Product of numerators divided by product of denominators. Right. Now we can see some more examples. Multiplying 4 by 5 into 12 by 7. It is a proper fraction. It is an improper. Not a problem. Right. Solution. Once I write the question. 4 by 5 into 12 by 7. 4 by 5 into 12 by 7. So what is the concept of product of two fraction? Product of numerators divided by product of denominators. 4 into 12. Product of numerators divided by 5 into 7. 5 into 7. Product of denominators. That's all. Any possibilities to reduce 4, it is not a multiples of 4. No. Multiply. 4 12s are 48. 4 12s are 48. 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. We check it. It is an improper fraction. It is an improper fraction. This one we can convert into mixed fraction. We can convert into mixed fraction. How many 35 in 48? 135 is 35, 235 are 70, but we have only 48. So 2 is not possible. 1 is quotient. Write it 1. What is remainder? 48 minus 35, 13. So 13 remainder as numerator. Keep the same denominator. That's all. Okay. Right. Next time. 11 by 2, 3 by 10. 11 by 2, 3 by 10. Both are fraction. 11 by 2 is an improper fraction. 3 by 10 is a proper fraction. Right. So what is the rule? Concept 10. Product of numerators. Product of numerators. 11 into 3. Product of denominators. 2 into 10. 2 into 10. 11 3s are 33. 11 3s are 33. Divided by 2 into 10. 2 into 10. 20. 2 into 10, 20. Now you check it. 33 is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator. So it is an improper. So we can convert into mixed fraction. How many 20s in 33? 120 is 20. 2 20s are 40. But we have only 33. So only 1. What is the remainder? 33 minus 20, 13 as numerator divided by 20. So that's all answer. 13 by 20. Again convert into improper. The whole number multiplied with the denominator. 120 is 20. 20 plus 13, 33. 33 divided by the same denominator, 20. That's all. Okay. 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. 2 by 5. It is an proper fraction. 5 1 by 4. It is an improper. Sorry, mixed fraction. It is a mixed fraction. It is a mixed fraction. If suppose mixed fraction is given, we can convert into improper. We can convert into improper. Solution. First write the question. 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. So this one you keep it as same. 2 by 5. The mixed fraction convert into improper. So what is the concept? Mind it, students. Mind it. It is a whole number. The whole number multiplied with the denominator. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Then add with the numerator. Add with the numerator. This is a mixed fraction. Whole number into denominator plus numerator divided by same denominator. Very clear? The whole number multiplied with the denominator. Multiply with the denominator. Then add with the numerator. Add with the numerator. Keep the same denominator. So 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1. 21. So 21. Keep the same denominator. 21 by 4. 21 by 4. Very clear? Now, what is the concept? Product of numerators divided by product of denominators. Product of numerators divided by product of denominators. And it 2 into 21 divided by product of numerators divided by product of denominators. Product of denominators. Right. If you have any possibilities to reduce, we can reduce. For example, first I will explain without simplification. 2 into 21 42 divided by 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Now we can cancel here. 42 20. Both are even number. Both are even number. So we can divide by 2. 21 2s are 42. 10 2s are 20. 10 2s are 20. Right. Otherwise, without, now it is without simplification. Suppose simplify. 2 into 21 divided by 5 into 4. 5 into 4. 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Remaining one is here 1. 1 into 21. 1 into 21 divided by 5 into 2. So 1 into 21, 21 divided by 5 into 10. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 10. Both are same. Both are same. Okay. Right. It is an improper fraction. It is an improper fraction. So convert it to mixed fraction. How many tens in 21? How many tens in 21? 2 tens are 20. 3 tens are 30. But we have only 21. So remainder what? 2 into 10, 20. 21 minus 10, 20. 21 minus 20, 1. That's all. Clear? So first the given mixed fraction convert into improper. Then we get two fraction. That is maybe proper or an improper, not a problem. Then product of numerators divided by product of denominators. If you have any possibility to reduce, you reduce it. Otherwise, you keep it same. Finally, we can reduce it. Right. Multiply 62 by 5 into 7 by 9. It is mixed fraction. So first the mixed fraction convert into improper. First you write the question 62 by 5 into 7 by 9. 7 by 9. So the mixed fraction convert into improper. What is the rule say? The whole number multiplied with the denominator. 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. Then add with the numerator. 30 plus 2, 32. So 32 divided by 5. 32 keeping the same denominator into 7 by 9. 7 by 9. That's all. Next, this is a fraction, this is a fraction. What is the concept? Product of numerators divided by product of denominators. Multiply product of numerators 32 into 7. Numerator 32, 7. Divided by product of denominators 5 into 9. 5 into 9. Multiply 32 into 7. 2 7s are 14. Remainder balance 1. 3 7s are 21, 22. So 224 divided by 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. It is a improper fraction. Convert to mixed fraction. 224 divided by 45. Divided by 45. Okay. You check it. 4. You the last digit. You the last digit. 4 22. How many 4 is in 22? 5. You check for 5. 5 5s are 25. Remainder 2. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2 22. 225. But we have only 224. So 5 is not possible. So next we check for 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. Balance 2. 4 4s are 16. 18. So remainder what is that? 4. 2 minus 8 we cannot subtract it. Borrow 12, 12 minus 8 4. So answer 44. The 4 is a whole number. Remainder as numerator. Keeping the same denominator. Keeping the same denominator. Okay, that's all. If you are unable to understand this sum, 1 or 2 times watch the video. Clearly explained here. So 1 or 2 times you watch it. Then after watching this video, again unable to understand, you can call me. Okay, I will explain. And I will send the homework by WhatsApp. Thank you, students.